Elon Musk could soon become the world's first trillionaire, thanks to a bold new plan from Tesla. Tesla's board is offering Musk a pay package unlike any other, an enormous bonus in company stock, not cash. The goal? Keep Musk focused on Tesla, even as he juggles SpaceX, XAI, and more. This package is tied to Tesla's future success, with sky-high targets. If Tesla hits these goals, Musk could receive over 423 million new shares, worth $143 billion today. But the real prize is in the future. Musk only gets the shares if Tesla's value skyrockets to $8.5 trillion, more than double today's most valuable company. If that happens, his new shares alone could be worth $900 billion, pushing his total wealth past the trillion-dollar mark. The board believes this massive incentive will drive Musk to make Tesla the most successful company ever. Why such a huge offer? Musk's attention is split across several ventures, and Tesla wants to ensure it stays his top priority. The plan is a bet. If Musk wins, so do Tesla's shareholders. It's not just about making Musk richer, it's about tying his fortune directly to Tesla's success. The only way Musk gets this historic payday is if shareholders get much richer too. This is more than a salary. It's a high-stakes challenge. For Musk, the reward is historic. For Tesla, it's a gamble on one man's vision. If he succeeds, he'll set a new standard for personal wealth and for what a single leader can achieve. The trillion-dollar question: can Musk pull it off? Elon Musk's net worth is a wild ride, soaring and crashing with Tesla's stock price. As of September 2025, he's worth about $378 billion, making him the world's richest person. But his fortune isn't cash. It's mostly Tesla shares, so it swings with the market. In late 2024, Musk's wealth shot past $400 billion after a political alliance with President Trump boosted Tesla's stock. By December, Tesla shares peaked at $488, sending his net worth to record highs. But fortunes change fast. By April 2025, Tesla's stock had lost half its value, and Musk's wealth dropped to around $250, $294 billion. Protests, falling sales, and political drama all played a part. Musk's wealth is a public scoreboard, changing with every headline, tweet, or product launch. Unlike old money billionaires, his fortune is digital, volatile, and tied to public opinion. Every day the market is open, his net worth can swing by billions. This volatility is central to Musk's story, and to his shot at a trillion-dollar fortune. Understanding these wild swings is key to understanding Musk's journey. For Musk, every day is a new high-stakes game. Musk's empire is built on a handful of groundbreaking companies. Tesla is the crown jewel. Musk owns about 13% of it, worth $139 billion. Tesla's value rises and falls with car sales, tech breakthroughs, and investor excitement. Next is SpaceX, his private rocket company aiming to colonize Mars and provide global internet with Starlink. Musk owns 42% of SpaceX, a stake valued at $147 billion in late 2024. Unlike Tesla, SpaceX's value is set by private investors, not the stock market. Then there's XAI, Musk's fast-growing artificial intelligence startup. He owns 54% of XAI, worth $27 billion as of late 2024. XAI recently acquired X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, giving Musk a direct pipeline to real-time human data for AI training. Musk bought Twitter in 2022 for $44 billion, but its value has since dropped by 70%. His 51% stake in X is now worth just $6.7 billion, but it gives him a powerful global voice. He also owns The Boring Company and Neuralink, pushing into tunnels and brain tech. Each company is a bet on the future: electric cars, rockets, AI, and more. Together, they form a futuristic empire unlike any other. Musk's wealth is tied to their success and their risks. Every breakthrough or setback in these companies can add or erase billions from his fortune. It's a high-wire act, with the world watching. Musk isn't just a business titan, he's a political force. In 2024, he became a key ally of President Trump, even leading the new Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. Musk poured $277 million into Republican campaigns, signaling a clear political stance. For a while, this boosted his companies. Investors hoped for friendly policies and contracts. But politics is risky. Musk's deep involvement sparked backlash, with boycotts and protests against Tesla. The brand's progressive image took a hit, and investors worried Musk was distracted. Tesla's stock fell, and so did Musk's net worth. By September 2025, Musk had split with Trump and announced plans for a new third party. His political moves keep him at the center of national debates and add uncertainty for his companies. Every political statement can move markets and shape his fortune. Musk's journey shows how business, tech, and politics are now deeply intertwined. For Musk, power isn't just about money, it's about influence. But every step into politics brings new risks for his companies and his quest for $1 trillion. The line between CEO and political player is blurrier than ever. Musk's political adventure is a gamble, one that could help or hurt his legacy. In the end, his political bets are as bold as his business ones, and the stakes are just as high. Before the $1 trillion plan, Musk's 2018 pay package sparked huge controversy. It promised him 304 million Tesla shares if the company hit tough targets. By 2024, Tesla had delivered, and shareholders approved the payout by a wide margin. But a Delaware judge blocked the deal, arguing Musk had too much influence over Tesla's board. The court said the process wasn't fair, despite overwhelming shareholder support. The blocked shares would have been worth $125 billion in early 2025, enough to push Musk's net worth to $551 billion. Twice now, courts have stopped Musk from collecting massive paydays, even when shareholders agreed. The fight raises big questions. Who decides CEO pay? The owners or the courts? Musk and Tesla say shareholders should have the final say. The court says it's about fairness and process. This legal battle is a major hurdle on Musk's road to $1 trillion. And it's far from over. With great wealth comes scrutiny, especially over philanthropy. Musk's foundation supports causes like renewable energy and science education, including a $100 million STEM school in Texas. But critics say he could do much more, especially as global problems like hunger persist. In 2023, Musk publicly offered $6 billion to fight world hunger, if the UN could show a clear plan. The plan came, but Musk didn't follow through, fueling accusations of insincerity. Supporters argue his companies do more for humanity than any charity could, accelerating clean energy and space exploration. Critics see a billionaire who could solve urgent problems now but chooses not to. The debate shapes Musk's public image and the larger conversation about billionaire responsibility. For Musk, philanthropy is about building the future, not just giving money away. But the world keeps asking, is that enough? The answer remains hotly debated. Why chase $1 trillion fortune? For Musk, it's not about luxury. Money is fuel for his biggest dreams, like colonizing Mars. Building a city on another planet could cost trillions, and Musk wants the resources to do it himself. The $1 trillion mark isn't just a score. It's a way to fund the future he envisions. There's also competition. Musk thrives on setting impossible goals and beating them. Becoming the first trillionaire would cement his legacy as the ultimate entrepreneur. His fortune is tied to his company's success. He's betting everything on their future. For Musk, wealth is proof of vision and a tool to change the world. The drive isn't just personal. It's about reshaping humanity's destiny. The $1 trillion is both a milestone and a mission. The road to $1 trillion is full of obstacles. Tesla must reach an $8.5 trillion valuation, an unprecedented leap. That means dominating not just cars, but robotics, energy, and AI. Competition is fierce legacy automakers. Chinese EVs, tech giants, and new space rivals all want a piece. Musk's leadership style and political controversies can spark boycotts and investor anxiety. If public or investor trust falters, his companies and his fortune could tumble. External threats loom. Economic downturns, new regulations, or tech disasters could strike any time. A single misstep, a failed launch, a regulatory crackdown could derail everything. Musk walks a tightrope between visionary and lightning rod. Every risk is magnified at this scale. The path to $1 trillion is as perilous as it is ambitious. For Musk, the stakes couldn't be higher. Musk's quest for $1 trillion isn't just about one man's wealth. It's a story about our era. It shows how technology and ambition can create fortunes and reshape the world. But it also raises tough questions. Should one person have so much power? Is this progress or a problem? Musk's journey is a case study in risk, reward, and the new rules of wealth. Every success and setback is magnified, inspiring some and alarming others. His pay packages, philanthropy, and politics fuel a global debate about the role of billionaires. Whether he reaches $1 trillion or not, Musk's story forces us to ask, what kind of future do we want? Will his vision lift humanity or distract from urgent problems on Earth? The true value of $1 trillion isn't just in the number, it's in what it means for all of us. And that's the question Musk's journey leaves behind.